I'm sharing 3 simple strategies to help you keep more money in your pocket while still enjoying the benefits of homeownership. And also, I'm going to show my exact utility bill amount to give you a better idea. So watch to the end. New York is notorious for its high taxes. But did you know you can reduce your property tax and or receive a star credit? Here's how it works. You can challenge the assessed value of your home if you believe it's too high. Lower assessed value means lower property tax. To do this, contact your local tax assessor's office and inquire about the grievance process. They will guide you through the necessary steps, which often involve providing evidence to support your case. But many times, it's not easy to do it by yourself. So I recommend this. There are companies that specialize in tax grievance services. They can handle the process on your behalf and only charge a fee if they successfully reduce your property tax. Typically, they collect a portion of the reduced tax amount, making it a win-win situation for you. And here is an important thing to remember. No matter you think the value of your home went up or down, you just apply it every year. And New York State has some tax credit program you should apply. School tax relief is designed to reduce property tax. To qualify, you must meet 3 requirements. 1. You must own a residential property in the state of New York. 2. The property must be your primary residence, meaning you live in it as your main home. 3. Your combined income, if you're married, filing jointly must be below $500,000 to be eligible for the STAR credit. Another fantastic way to save money as a homeowner is by harnessing the power of the sun through solar panels. Here's how it works. Solar panels are installed on your roof or property to convert sunlight into electricity. This clean and renewable energy source can significantly reduce your monthly electrical bills. Many governments offer tax credits and incentives to homeowners who invest in solar energy. In New York, you can get up to $5,000 in tax credits from the state to install solar panels. Alongside solar panels, consider using energy-efficient appliances. They consume less energy, further reducing your utility bills and environmental impact. Before installing solar panels, it's essential to think long-term. Solar panel loans typically have a duration of around 10 years with lower interest rates. To ensure it's the right choice for you, gather data for at least a year to assess your energy consumption and potential savings. Do you want to have a more clear idea? Here's the electric bill I pay for my home. We run everything with electricity. Heat is also included, and even we have an electric car charging at home. Not bad, right? Being a handyman or woman around the house doesn't require you to be a professional contractor. Simple DIY projects can save you money on repairs and maintenance. Here's how to get started. You can find countless tutorials online or attend local workshops to learn how to fix common household issues like leaky faucets, clogged drains, or minor electrical problems. Having a basic toolkit with essential tools like screwdriver, pliers, and a hammer can help you tackle many small tasks without needing to hire a professional. By staying on top of maintenance tasks like cleaning gutters, changing air filters, and sealing cracks, you can prevent more significant and costly problems from developing. There you have it, my friends. I'm positive these strategies can help you keep more money in your pocket while enjoying the benefits of homeownership. We get calls and emails every day of people just like you looking for help buying and selling in New York, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're buying in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you to make a smooth move to New York.